ahead and do the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula, if I were to write it out for you, well, it might be difficult to write out, but I'll try it. It's a ordered pair, and in the top you have x1 plus x2, and then there's a comma in between, and then there's a y1 plus y2, and then on the bottom you are going to have a fraction bar over the whole thing, and you're going to divide both of these by 2. So that's actually not the prettiest way to write it, but you'll get the idea once we start working some of these out. So let's take a look at this first one right here. Feel free to look this up for a prettier version, but you should get the idea of this. So we're going to do x1, y1. So we're going to do 6 plus 4, and then there's going to be a comma, and then we're going to do the y values, 10 plus 2. And then we're going to divide both of those by 2, really, in essence, finding the average. So divide that by 2 and divide that by 2. So if we do 6 plus 4, that's 10. If we do 10 divided by 2, we get 5. If we do 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So our correct answer should be 5, 6. So that worked out pretty good. Okay, if you get pretty good, you can do some of these in your head too. But we've got this one right here. So our x1 and our y1, we've got -5 plus -7. There's going to be a comma in between. And then we're going to do 6 plus 6. And then we're going to divide this by 2, and we're going to divide this by 2. So both of those basically get averaged. So we're going to do -5 plus 7. That's -12. And if you take half of that, you get -6. Then we're going to do 6 plus 6 is 12. If you take half of that, that's 6. So our answer should be -6, 6. So let's go ahead and try that out. -6, 6. Okay, looks like it works. Alright, that should be enough to get you started. Let me know if you have more questions.